Today, we're exploring the journey of Elizabeth Smart, the child safety activist and journalist who first captured the world's attention after her miraculous rescue from a 9-month abduction in 2003. Since that harrowing ordeal, Smart has transformed her experience into a powerful platform for advocacy, becoming one of the most respected voices for victims of sexual assault and child abduction. So, where is Elizabeth Smart now? Let's find out. In the years following her rescue, Smart has refused to be defined solely by her past, instead building a massive career as a motivational speaker, author, and ABC News contributor. She has spent the last decade championing the Elizabeth Smart Foundation, which focuses on prevention, education, and survivor support. Her journey has also included significant personal milestones, including her marriage to Matthew Gilmore and the joy of raising their 3 children. However, 2025 and early 2026 have seen her return to the spotlight in a major way as she addresses the evolving legal status of her former captors. Smart has become a central figure in the debate over parole and offender monitoring. Following the 2025 arrest of her former kidnapper, Wanda Barzee, for violating registration terms, Smart has used her platform to advocate for stricter legislation regarding the lifetime supervision of dangerous offenders. She recently participated in the high-profile 2026 Netflix documentary series Kidnapped, Elizabeth Smart, where she provided new insights into her recovery process and the systemic changes needed to protect children in the digital age. Where is Elizabeth Smart now? As of now, Elizabeth Smart is residing in Park City, Utah, with her husband and children. She is currently deep into her 2026 Smart Defense National Tour, where she leads self-defense workshops and empowerment seminars for young women across the country. In early February 2026, she was featured at a major Child Advocacy Center gala, raising millions for forensic interview training and victim resources. Professionally, she continues her work as a special correspondent for ABC News, focusing on missing persons cases and legislative updates. In her personal life, she has embraced a role as an adventure mum, frequently sharing updates of her family's hiking and skiing trips in the Utah mountains. While she remains a public figure, she has been vocal about the importance of mental health, recently launching a new digital wellness initiative aimed at helping survivors navigate the complexities of social media and public scrutiny. Elizabeth Smart has transformed from a victim into a visionary leader who leads with her truth. While she continues to face the ghosts of her past through the ongoing legal sagas of her captors, she continues to prove that she is no longer interested in fitting into a neat little box, prioritizing her family and her advocacy above all else. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite stars and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.